when we look at one of the core capabilities of MDM, it's data integration. MDM needs to take data from anywhere, CRM systems, ERP systems, multiple source systems, and it needs to be able to publish or syndicate that data back into those source systems or to analytical systems. But it is not an integration hub per se. There are integration software platforms that are purpose-built to act as enterprise-wide integration solutions. MDM does enable some integration capability to allow you to bring data into a hub and publish out of a hub. But it's not going to be used for migrating data into a data warehouse. It's not going to be used for all data across the enterprise to move it from point A to point B, where point A could be anything and point B could be anything. MDM is purpose-built to support integration use cases in support of the management of your shared master data assets.